Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. And thanks for stopping by guys. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Support us. We are from Canada, now living in the Philippines. So we're starting a new life here. Just exploring Philippines, exploring places, food, cultures. So guys, today's vlog is we're gonna do mukbang. So, nagluto ako ng lunch namin today ng something Filipino food para sa Canadian boy. Titingnan natin kung kakainin niya to. Sana nga magustuhan niya yung pagkain. He's not very picky when it comes to food, which I am very proud. Kasi he's used to traveling everywhere, and he eats different types of food except for spicy food. Yun ang hindi niya kayang kainin, but he will try. And the only spicy food he will eat is like Korean noodles, but not all of them. There's just certain Korean noodles that he will eat pag spicy siya. Pero si ate, yun ang mahilig talaga sa spicy. She will eat anything as long as spicy. So today, mahuhulaan nyo ba kung ano yung mukbang natin? Kung ano yung niluto ko for lunch namin today? So eto guys, meron tayong 1 kilong rice. 1 kilo talaga.
Wow!
Isang dami niyan guys. So, eto lang marami lang yan para sa mukbang namin. Usually, we don't eat that much. I cook usually like small cup of rice. It's not even 1 cup. Just for the both of us. Kasi kami lang dalawa dito. And we usually don't finish the whole rice that I cook. Kasi mahina lang kami sa rice ngayon. We're trying to slow down on our rice intake. Kasi gusto namin more on more protein, more veggies, ganon. Tapos eto guys, dito nyo mahulaan kung ano yung niluto ko. Mahulaan nyo kaya. What do you think I made today? Look, suka. So the suka has a little bit of toyo, onions, and garlic there. Ano kaya? Comment nga kayo kung ano yung niluto ko for lunch today para kay Bunso. This is not his usually lunch. Usually he eats like mga regular food. He eats sinigang, he eats adobo, but